Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about the infamous milk of magnesia as a primer for your foundation. I'm just going to be sharing my experience, what I think about it. Is it safe? All of that. So this is my bottle. It's a bit messy because, milk of magnesia is kind of messy. But it was actually designed for bowel movements. I think it was designed or created to increase bowel movements. So if you're constipated, I think it was created for that reason. I'm not 100% sure, but I know it's for bowel movements. I'm just not sure, or I'm not remembering if it's to increase or decrease bowel movements. But as I was saying now, in recent years, people actually started using milk of magnesia for their primer under their makeup. I have started doing that as of like 2 months ago or 3 months ago. What I do have to say is milk of magnesia is a great primer for, like, putting aside everything else. Milk of magnesia is a great primer. When I use milk of magnesia, I actually use my Ashanti Naturals shea butter and the for my moisturizer. So I moisturize my face and then I prime with the milk of magnesia. Now shea butter is actually kind of oily. I have dry skin, so it doesn't really bother me that it's oily. And then I have the milk of magnesia, which is kind of drying, so it kind of dries up all of the oils from the shea butter, so it gives me a nice base to apply my foundation. Now the problem is a lot of persons have been saying that when they use milk of magnesia, it damages their skin, and because of the reason it was created, a lot of persons don't think it's good for your face because it was created for the anus. So why would you put it on your face? But as I said, it was a great primer. I'm saying was because I have decided to stop using milk of magnesia to prime my face, which is something that I have been trying to stop using this for a couple of weeks now, because I started researching the product, like deeply researching. I researched it before I bought it, but I started deeply researching and reading up about it, and this post came up where it was saying that milk of magnesia actually basically blocks up your pores like any primer does. It blocks up your pores, or, well, not that every primer blocks up your pores, but milk of magnesia goes way beyond just covering your pores so you can apply foundation. It actually blocks up your pores so the oils stay back, because when you wipe away your foundation on all of your makeup, your face is actually supposed to go back to normal. With milk of magnesia, it is said, according to research, that your face does not go back to normal. So what it is doing is basically changing your skin type and going way beyond just dry and oily and combination skin, and really just damaging your skin. It actually says that it stops, that your skin changes layers. Like, I'm not sure how often, but your skin changes layers. What milk of magnesia does is it stops your face from changing its layers. So basically, it's like a snake changing skin. So this snake changes its skin and it looks like all new and whatever. Basically, when you use milk of magnesia, it stops your face from renewing itself. So basically, you're gonna look older quicker. You're gonna get wrinkles faster, and all of that kind of scared me. So I've actually decided to stop using the milk of magnesia, as I said, on my face. So I just wanted to come on here and share with you guys why I'm going to stop using it, and my experience. As I said, it's a great primer. I can't go against that. It's a really good primer. A lot of makeup artists use it. So if you go to get your makeup done and somebody applies, or the makeup artist applies your foundation on a white base, like, let me give you guys an example of how the milk of magnesia looks. So it looks, well, this is kind of dried up since I stopped using it. So if your makeup artist applies your foundation on a base, or applies something looking really white, and sometimes Milk of Magnesia actually cracks. So if you realize that your makeup artist is using it, you should probably ask questions, because more than likely it is Milk of Magnesia. As I said, it gives you a really flawless base. Like, out of all of the primers that I've used, Milk of Magnesia is top 5. And when I say top 5, I mean it's number 1. So yeah, as I said, I just wanted to share with you guys my experience with using the Milk of Magnesia, why I'm going to stop using it. Hopefully, like, as soon as I finish this video, I'm going to throw it out, because I don't want to second guess my decision and start using it again, because obviously I don't want wrinkles. I'm like 20. I don't want no wrinkles, and I don't want my face and my skin to be damaged. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you learned something. And if you are going to use the Milk of Magnesia, please do your research. I mean, this is my decision to stop using it, so if you decide that you're gonna continue using it, or if you decide that you want to start using it, then please do your research so you can know all of the pros and the cons of using the product. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.